Good morning students, this is your computer teacher Devdeep sir, and today before we start our class I would like to first aware you about an important circular that has come from AWS. The parent body of all army schools, that is Army Welfare Education Society, has decided to implement reduced syllabus. That means now whatever chapters are there in your all subjects will be reduced, and it will be reduced as per the given policy given by them. Okay, for computer particularly this is your updated chapters. Now these chapters will be only taught throughout the year, so that means those chapters that were there in PT1 and PT2 will no longer come in the half yearly or the first semester exam. Okay, so lesson 6, 7, 8 and 10 are the ones that are going to come, and lesson 10 will be also having practical portion. Okay, now we'll start with WordPad, that is chapter number 6. Okay, so all of you please turn to page 51. So all of you please turn to page number 51. Now what is a WordPad? WordPad is a program that is specially meant for typing text. So what is a WordPad then? It is a software that's main role is to type text. So WordPad is a software that is aimed at typing text. Okay, and it also provides many features by the help of which we can make our text look beautiful and attractive. So WordPad also contains different features by the help of which our text can not only look beautiful but attractive too. Now how we can open WordPad program? These are the following steps. Please see it properly. First you have to click on the start button. So what is step number 1? Click on the Windows start button. We all know that Windows start button looks like that of the Windows logo. So you have to click over there. Then you have to click on all programs. So next, from the start button you have to click on all programs. From all programs you have to click on accessories. ACCESSORIES, accessories. Okay, so after clicking on accessories there is an option called WordPad. So I repeat the step once again. Start button, from start button all programs, from all programs accessories, from accessories WordPad. This is how you have to open the WordPad, and the moment the WordPad opens, this particular screen will appear. Okay, so this software, this white color screen is where you can do all the typing, and these are the different options. So what are the different options applicable in WordPad? Let us see that. So moment the WordPad opens, it comes with variety of options. Okay, first of all you will be greeted with the quick access toolbar. So what is this called? Quick access toolbar. Okay, this is the insertion point where you insert the text. So this is the insertion point of text. Now this button, this is called the WordPad button. What is this called? WordPad button. This is the title bar where the document name is displayed. So the topmost bar, this bar, is called title bar. Okay, and it also contains the different ribbons which contains all the different options like font, bold, italic, underline. Okay, center, left, right, align, all these options. Okay, so title bar displays the name of the document, it is present at the top. Quick access toolbar contains the shortcut buttons. What are the shortcut buttons? Save for saving document, undo and redo for doing changes to the document. Undo and redo is used for changing the document. And WordPad button comes with the traditional commands new and open. That is, new means to create a new document, open means to open an existing, that is already created document. So open is used for already created document. Now, what are the two tabs in the WordPad? Home and View. You can see here also. Home and View are only the two tabs that we can see. They are present. Okay. Now, ribbon is a group of related commands. So, what is a ribbon? Group of related command. Each ribbon has a different functionality. That is, all these are the ribbons you can see. Each ribbon does a specific function. Alright. And insertion point is that flashing area or the workable area where we do the different work. Okay. That is where we type the text. Okay. So, today your task will be to study page number 51 and 52 and just get back to me if you have any doubts in this. Okay. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.